In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold this paper origami cup. All you need to fold this paper cup is a square sheet of paper. I'm using 6 by 6 inch, but you can use any type of square paper you want. So we need to rotate the paper like this, so it's a diamond shape, and we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Now we're going to land this edge to this edge, but we're not going to make the full crease. We're just going to make a pinch mark right over here and then open it back up. And now we're going to fold this corner to that pinch mark like this. Repeat on the other side. We're just going to land this edge onto this edge. Now we have two flaps right over here. We're going to take the first flap and we're going to make a crease on this edge right over here like this. Flip the paper over, repeat on the other side. We're going to make a crease and we will land it on this edge. So now we have an opening here. Just going to open right over here, then squish it a little bit, and now the paper cup is formed. And also it can hold water. You can pour some water in it. Pour some water in it and stays perfectly over here. I'm just going to pour it back into the bowl. So if you like the video, you can like and you can subscribe over here right beneath Benjamin, and you can watch more origami videos in this playlist right over here, and watch my latest video over here. So yes, see you guys next time. Bye.